Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2019 Polaris Ranger Crew XP1000. Has the dual light bar on the top, upper front brush guard, steel winch, like 50-60% tread on the front tires. Has the electric power window front doors, fixed glass windshield, slider rear window, 70-80 or probably 80-90% tread on the rear tires, tilt assist dump box, 3-person back seat, 3-person front seat. Has a street legal kit with blinkers, horn. This machine's got 9,335 miles on it. 1,049 hours. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, call us at 406-232-3300.